Hey everyone, hope you're having a great day so far. If you like my videos, hit the like button and subscribe. If you could, please. It'll help me make more videos for you. So what I have right now is a 99 Toyota 4Runner with a noise in the rear end. And the customer had brought it to another shop, and at the other shop, they diagnosed it as a bad rear differential. They said the rear differential shot, whatever that's exactly supposed to mean. I have no idea. But they said they don't get involved in stuff like that. Okay. So anyway, I took this thing down the street, and I do hear noise coming from the rear, and I'm trying to figure out exactly what it is. I think I know what it is, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to go down this street here. It's right near my job. It's kind of isolated. Not many cars ever come down this road. It's a dead end. So it's kind of perfect for like short tests like this. It's only like about 1/8 mile long. Now I want you to listen to the noise. It's kind of obvious to hear it when you're driving it. I'm not sure how it's going to come out on a video, but let's see. You're going to go with me, and I'm going to switch camera views just so you can see the road and you can see how fast I'm going. So here we go. We're going to accelerate this thing up to about 35, 40. I don't know if you can hear that ruh, 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 ruh. Now, I'm going to rock it one way and then the other. It changes a little bit. It's not terrible. It's definitely there. Now, the reason for me doing that is if I rock it to the right side and it got a lot worse, that would tell me left side axle bearing shot. If I rock it to the left side and it got a lot worse, it would tell me the right side axle bearing shot. So I got a funny feeling this is carrier bearings that have gone. I don't think it's got gear issues because I don't hear any whining type sounds. So what I got to do is I got to inspect this thing further, take a look at the fluid, whatnot, and try to figure out exactly what's going on. As I do, I will keep you posted. I will make more videos following up as to what I'm doing, and we'll go from there. Anyway, hope you guys are having a great day. Keep wrenching.